I am married. Whenever there have been discussions about my marriage or something where I have to speak about somebody I'm close to or whatever, yes, I've very openly mentioned about Sahil. It was a love marriage, and it was in fact, we got married on 24th June this year after I was done with Pink and everything in Bhutan. So it was, I'm not the kind of a person to really publicly, announce things and put my pictures on Facebook and this and that. I'm a very private person that way, and at the same time very open. I have nothing to hide, but I don't like to go and announce the whole world for the heck of it. So everyone knows about it who needs to know about it, and now everyone is getting to know as time is passing by. I'm saying it has totally changed. Like, it's just like, just a week before the release, जो जिंदगी थी, and पहली screening के बाद से and release के बाद से तो मतलब कुछ और ही हो गई है. So it's totally changed for me, and everyone recognizes me. We had spoken a little about when I was inviting him for the screening. हमारी थोड़ी सी बात हुई थी about what is he planning and दिमाग में क्या चल रहा है. तो मुझे काफी जो मैंने छोटा सा भी सुना था मुझे बहुत interesting लगा था, and I think I am someone who is always I think people who want to जो काम करना चाहते हैं वो they're always on lookout for something that's very exciting, and such good roles and scripts are not easy to come by in Bollywood, unfortunately.
Correct.
So I did get very excited about that in that little chat with Madhur about the film. I had met Madhur a couple of times before in the last couple of years for generally meeting up, because I did want to work with him. I have liked Madhur's work in the past, and मुझे मन था कि मैं इनके साथ कुछ करूं, and also considering the fact that he specifically makes women-centric films. His most of the films, 90% of the films, he's got women protagonists. For me, that was also a very strong point कि मैं मधु के साथ काम करना चाहती थी. So yes, we had met a couple of times, and ये होता है कि I think Pink ने जो एक चीज की है मेरे लिए स्पेसिफिकली, वो ये है कि लोग जानते थे कि अच्छा अच्छी एक्टर है, अच्छा काम कर लेती है, लेकिन जो एक जो जब कोई चीज आपके एकदम इन योर फेस आती है ना कि अरे बाप रे, आपको वो, आई थिंक दैट्स व्हाट पिंक हैज डन फॉर मी एज फार एज पीपल आर कंसर्न्ड, एंड आई थिंक दैट्स वो मौका ऐसा था एक, ऑल्दो आई ऑलवेज फील कि एवरीथिंग इज destiny at the end of the day. So workout हुई, destiny इस तरह से workout.
Go on.
I'm saying एक चीज जो, because I've been around in the industry, मैंने काम किया है, and but जो मेरे लिए बहुत important चीज थी Pink, when I was doing Pink and when Pink was coming out and stuff, वो ये था कि Pink should translate into work for me. It's just not about being acknowledged and appreciated for what I have done in the film, but what is it that I actually get offered after this? Am I going to take that leap into doing bigger and better things? And that's something that I am the most happy about, because it's not just Pink for me. Pink has given everything a lot to me, but इसके बाद क्या होगा वो शायद उससे भी ज्यादा जरूरी है, because now I can't complain. Now I can't say कि मेरे पास ये नहीं है, मेरे पास वो नहीं है. Now I have the opportunity, I have what I have. Now let's see what I make of it. Yes, I mean, I'm aware of emergency, and I know a little about it. But with this film, क्योंकि मधुर और उनके राइटर ने खुद इतना काम किया हुआ है इसके ऊपर, that I have a lot of material to work with. मुझे material ढूंढने में नहीं मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी. It's already available to me thanks to Madhur and Anil. So yes, I do plan to read a couple of books जो लिखी हुई हैं, और जो बहुत इजीली अवेलेबल नहीं है मार्केट में, जो मधुर को कॉपीज मिली हुई हैं. Secondly, there are documentaries on emergency that I'm planning to watch, जो I think दूरदर्शन पे आई थी. There are a few films in reference to the feel and the vibe of the film and the character that Madhur is asking me to watch. जो कैरेक्टर है उसके जो ट्रेट्स हैं, जिसका एक बहुत मेजर, बहुत ही ऑब्वियस और बहुत ही वन ऑफ द मेजर कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ हर पर्सनालिटी इज दैट शी स्टैमर्स, शी हैज अ स्पीच इम्पेडिमेंट. तो आई थिंक ये जो है, ये मेरे लिए काफी, ये एस्पेक्ट को मैं काफी तवज्जो देकर चल रही हूँ. बिकॉज पहले हमारे बॉलीवुड में मुझे कोई ऐसी कोई फिल्म अच्छे से याद नहीं है जहाँ पे स्टैमरिंग को बहुत ही रियलिस्टिक और सही तरीके से उसको दर्शाया गया हो. एंड देयर आर अ कपल ऑफ फिल्म्स इन द वेस्ट, इन हॉलीवुड दैट दे हैव गॉट इट लाइक बैंग ऑन, लाइक किंग्स स्पीच. I think it's a beautiful film on this one thing that they've shown. तो स्टैमरिंग मेरे लिए पर्सनली सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज है फिलहाल. कि मैं how do I get that right? You know? So मैं I plan to meet speech therapists and all that. Usually आप इनसे मिलते हैं to correct your speech. But मैं मिलना जा रही हूँ कि मैं speech जो है मेरी, मैं उसको खराब कैसे करूँ? In the sense मैं उसको how do I make it not fine? You know,
it shouldn't
not
be
fine.
Funny, yeah.
Yeah, I mean, it shouldn't be funny. That's what, like, now I've read a little about stammering. I'm watching a few videos and stuff. Stammering भी मतलब इतना wide subject है, इतनी सारी उसमें चीजें हैं, इतनी तरह की stammering है, उसमें भी इतने सारे sub points हैं कि it's very interesting to know कि it's not as simple as that. मतलब there's so much you can do with that also. With lisp, yes, but I think stammering is still something that's not done very correctly as of now. तो मैं बहुत nervous हूँ actually इस चीज को लेके कि I need to get this right, because if I don't get this right, a lot of it might just fall flat. Well, I have had, I'm sure I've met people before who stammer and stuff. There's nobody I can think of now that I'm really thinking about it. मुझे actually कोई ध्यान में नहीं आ रहा जिससे मैं जाके मिलके बात कर सकती हूँ. I am playing this girl called Indu Sarkar. She's an orphan. She's been born and brought up in an orphanage in Delhi. She's somebody who's so I think one thing that stammering does as a kid, it is to embarrass you a lot. There's a lot of embarrassment and what do you call it, humiliation that people face with anything that's not perfect in them. So stammering is one thing that does that. So this girl has faced a lot of rejection through her life. At some point she starts writing poetry to express herself to her own self, because there's no one else to listen to, because there is a problem with the way she talks. You would rather not talk, and so what is the other outlet? Start writing. So she is somebody who has grown up writing poetry and stuff like that. And she grows up, she gets married to this guy, and the whole film is about the journey of this girl, from somebody who is, it's like there is a little subtext that we are playing with, with she being a stammerer, is that how somebody who doesn't have a voice, how through the film she finds her voice.
Okay,
so basically she is in the journey of her life in those 18-19 months of emergency that we are showing. So the whole film is in the backdrop of emergency. There is stuff going on outside of you. There is a very personal journey going on of this character through that, and basically how she grows up and rebels against, struggles against the situations and circumstances in her own life with the backdrop of a much bigger thing that is emergency.
Cool.
So it's mainly that. I'm actually looking forward because I've come from a film like Pink and I've worked with Sujit and Tony Da. So I'm just looking forward कि हालांकि ये फिल्म और ये जो रोल है ये बहुत ज़्यादा टफ है. It's a very tough film to make. It's a very very tough role. And difference ये है कि उसमें 3 लड़कियां थी उसके अलावा it was purely an ensemble cast.
Yeah.
तो जो there was somebody like Mr. Bachchan to actually take the burden on his shoulders. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
जो एक आप वो कर पाते हैं. No, I wasn't. I was not even aware of. I think there was something else he was trying to make then. I think Madam G or something before that. Like
Yeah.
उस वक्त कुछ चल रहा था. Calendar Girls just happened to come in between. ऐसा ही कुछ था. So ऐसा कुछ specifically नहीं था, but हम लोग मिल रहे थे. We met a couple of times. I really like Chandni Bar. I really like Page 3. I think Fashion was also good. तो ये 2-3 फिल्में बात की नहीं देखी हैं, but these 3 films really like I could. What struck to me was the realism and the reality of things, in all of them. I am honestly after film Pink, I have got messages and calls from a lot of people that I've never even met, who have seen my work and liked it and acknowledged it to me, which I'm very happy about. I'm not making an extra effort to go and meet people. मुझे भर के रोज कॉल्स नहीं आ रहे हैं, लेकिन जो कॉल्स आ रहे हैं वो बहुत अच्छे आ रहे हैं. और मैं actually I'm more than happy कि मैं I'm not having to choose between 2-3 wonderful things to do, because everything that I'm getting a call for is something that I would love to do.
Okay.
So I think I'm somebody who wants to take it easy and slow, because मेरे लिए अगली जो मेरी 3 फिल्में होंगी वो बहुत crucial होंगी. तो मैं rather than going like let's, वो जो कहावत है कि चांदनी रात है तो सब कुछ कर लो, whatever would be like, just because it's my time or things have suddenly opened up for me. अभी कल हो ना हो, आज सब कुछ कर लो, ये भी कर लो, ये भी कर लो, ये भी कर लो. I'm very consciously staying away from that. As I said, most important is कि मैं जिस वजह से यहाँ पहुंची हूँ उस पे मैं फोकस कर पाऊँ. So I think the way I would like it, I would like to do one film at a time and give it my all and then move on to the next one. तो कोशिश यही रहेगी. As I said, मुझे शायद I'll have to give up on some other things also that I really want to do. But
like
there are a couple of things that are happening simultaneously that I'm speaking to. As I said, I don't know how will they work out, because I'm myself very skeptical about doing 2 projects.
Yeah. So
सबको तकलीफ होती है और you cannot do justice to it. I feel so with the way I work. I don't think I can do justice to 2 things at the same time. So slow and steady, I think, is my mantra right now. I'm absolutely open to them. Yeah, I think the kind of work I do, it's something that I have to be first convinced about कि इसकी जरूरत है. और जिस तरह के मैं काम कर रही हूँ, मतलब जिन तरह के लोगों के साथ और जिस तरह की फिल्में मैं करना चाहती हूँ, वो ज्यादातर ऐसे ही लोग होंगे जिनको इन चीजों की समझ होगी, जो who will not use it just as a publicity thing or just because it's something to do, So I'm absolutely open to that. I'm an actor, and I think as an actor I have to be absolutely besharam too, and not have my own inhibitions and blocks come in the way of what I need to portray as a character. I said I'm absolutely shameless as an actor. For me, I don't want these blocks to come. No, I can't kiss. No, I can't do this. I can't. अगर मेरे को जरूरत पड़ी कल को कैरेक्टर के लिए, I will do everything till it makes sense to me. I will go ahead and do a character to it. I will do it full justice from my. No. I'm not even talking in a sense about that. I think the directors, producers have a bigger headache than an actor to think about censor board.
Yeah.
You know, I don't think as an actor it's really my concern.
Cool.
I mean, I am only concerned about my character and then what I need to do to make it believable, and that's whatever that takes. I will do it.